Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you do the setting called how can you fix no service on your iPhone. So you can see there is full network in my mobile phone right now, but you have any type of error in your network connection. Like if you see there is written no service in your location or no service for your network provider, how can you solve that issue? So the first thing we just have to understand that this issue is might be inside the phone, or this issue might be a lot of pupils and the server connection that time. But I will show you that how can we fix that. There is two ways. The first way is to take out your sim out of your mobile phone, clean it, and then enter it into your mobile phone again. And after that you can just restart your mobile phone by clicking on the two buttons, the volume up button and the power button here. Just hold it for 3 or 4 seconds and then you can switch off your mobile phone and restart it. The second step is to switch your phone on the flight mode and restart by refreshing that. Then you can definitely see your network connection are going better in your mobile phone. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you. And thank you so much for watching.